Hey folks, welcome back to the Dark Hollow Garage. Well, we're going to do the radiator from Cold Case in the 66 Pontiac. And actually, I kind of already did it. I started tinkering and next thing I knew it was done. But I'll show it to you. But we're also going to put on our new dual feed fuel line for that Holley 670. Alright, come on, let's check it out. I'll try to get, I don't know if you, well, you can see it, I guess, up in there. All installed. Yep. Some people don't like it when you can see the silver radiator, but it doesn't bother me. Pretty nice radiator. I got the shroud back on. You can see the lettering on the Cold Case down in there. It's the 17.5-inch core. Most of the GTOs were built with a 15. This is for the automatic air conditioner vehicle, so it's a 17.5-inch core. It is aluminum and has, what is it, 2 of the 1.25-inch tubes. So it's a 2-core, not a 4-core. Uh-oh, my light's dying. Woohoo! And I custom bent new transmission lines for the automatic transmission. And here we have our dual inlet that should not leak like that chrome one. We hope. Let's do this. Alright, let's get into this. Get our cheater readers on here. Got a rag underneath in case she leaks any fuel when we take her apart. Let's get this off of here. There we go. Alright. Get this junk one off of here. I'll keep it as a spare though. Alright, now we gotta take these out. Yep, had the spring and the filter on it. Okay. So this one goes back in there. Yep. I believe that's a 9/16. Nope, it's going to be metric. So is it a 14 or is it a 15? 15. Alright, there's one. Let's get this other one off. So it had it's got dual fuel filters. That's kind of nice. Yeah. Alright. Get this put together. There we go. Pretty sweet. here comes this part. Make sure they go on finger tight. Don't feel like they're stripping threads or anything. Cross threading. Alright, is that a 15 also? No, it's even bigger than a 15. Okay. Alright, there we go. All installed. It has a plug in it right here if you want to put a fuel gauge on it, which we may in the future. Alright. Looking good. Well, that's it with the radiator and the fuel line. All that's left to do now is wash it. She got a little yucky. Spilled a little transmission fluid on her. Alright. Alright. So that's kind of a short video because I got carried away and did all the work and never turned on the camera on the radiator. Sorry about that. But it's just a straight radiator install. The cold case appears to be a nicely made radiator. And this is something cool too. See if I can get this. Lifetime warranty. So we're going to do that here real soon too and scan the code and get registered for our lifetime warranty. Well, thanks for coming in here and hanging out with me today, folks. And I guess that's it. Catch you next time.